Hi students, good morning. Today I am saying about the important topic of colligative properties in fourth property is osmotic pressure. This is osmotic pressure. You have taken two type of chambers, chamber A and this is chamber B. Between these two type of chamber you have put certain layer, that is SPM. The A chamber contains solution and B chamber contains solvent. This is two type of pistons, chamber A and chamber B. Two type of pistons. These pistons is used pressure, applied pressure P. Okay students, this solution should be taken as salt water, means NaCl. This is normal water, like that, pure water. Okay, SPM means semi permeable membrane. Semi-permeable membrane. What is the SPM? SPM means it is solvent permit. Solvent permit means the solvent, like water, is flows through in it. Water is flows, I mean this type of, the water flows through in it, that is SPM. This is known as semi-permeable membrane. Okay, suppose these water, like solvent, to passes through in a semi-permeable membrane in beaker A, like that solvent, like solution. This solvent is passes through in a semi-permeable membrane to beaker A, like solution. This process is known as osmosis. Osmosis means the process of flow of the solvent the process of flow of solvent in SPM. SPM means semi-permeable membrane, or through semi-permeable membrane. The process of flow of solvent through semi-permeable membrane is known as osmosis. Means these water, like solvent, is passes through in a semi-permeable membrane. This is known as osmosis. Okay, this water and this is solvent, this solution, these two type of pistons to applied ATMs, I means atmospheric pressure, ATM, to applied atmospheric pressure. These atmospheric pressure to applied solvent, the solvent is moved to beaker B to A, like solvent to solution through in a semi-permeable membrane. These water is flows in a beaker B to A. This level of solution is increased. This level of solution is automatically increased. Why? Because this solvent is passes through in a semi-permeable membrane. Some solvent is reached this beaker, automatically this level of beaker is automatically increased, because to apply some quantity of pressure, atmospheric pressure. After some time this pressure is reduced, because this beaker to apply some quantity of ATM pressure, atmospheric pressure. So these flow of solvent is reduced after some time. Why should be reduced? At the same time, these beaker should be contains of piston. This piston applied some quantity of pressure. Which quantity of pressure to reduce the flow of solvent? The pressure is known as osmotic pressure. Okay, students, which quantity of pressure, this type of pressure is reduced? Suppose solvent is continuously moved B to A, but the pressure is reduced this type of flow. The pressure is reduced this type of flow. This pressure is known as osmotic pressure. Okay, osmotic pressure means the pressure that just prevents all the flow of solvent is equal to osmotic pressure. The pressure that just prevents of all the flow of solvents. Which pressure is prevents flow of solvents? The pressure is known as osmotic pressure. These osmotic pressure in mathematically, the osmotic pressure is indicates pi. The osmotic pressure is represented by pi. Okay, suppose these solution, the pressure applied to the pressure, the solution should be contains of dilution solution, not a dilution. This solution contains of certain concentration. This solution is not a solution. This solvent contains of certain concentration. This solvent continuously flows to B to A beaker because applied some quantity of pressure, that is osmosis. The concentration is change B to A. This is another content. This solution contains of some concentration. This concentration is increased or decreased. This is solvent. The solvent change their concentration at the presence of osmotic pressure. Water should be contains of some quantity of concentration. Solution like that, NaCl solution contains of, it means brine solution. Brine solution contains of some quantity of concentration. At the presence of osmotic pressure, these water concentration is change their NaCl concentration at the presence of osmotic pressure. So this concentration is change of these liquid concentration because osmotic pressure depended by concentration. Means the solution should be contains of some quantity of concentration. Another solutions, these concentration flow of particles at the presence of SPM. SPM means semi-permeable membrane. Automatically change their concentration to reach beaker A. So these osmotic pressure should be contains of concentration. These concentration is depended by molarity because applied some quantity of temperature. This change their concentration, applied some quantity of temperature. The solvent contains of some quantity of temperature and some quantity of concentration. These concentration change to reach beaker A, it contains of some quantity of temperature. So osmotic pressure pi is depended by concentration. The relation between osmotic pressure and concentration is the osmotic pressure is directly proportional to concentration and temperature. The osmotic pressure is directly proportional to concentration and temperature. It means the osmotic pressure is directly proportional to, first of all, molarity. So the osmotic pressure should be directly proportional to concentration, means it is have to equal to molarity. concentration or molarity. Okay, osmotic pressure is directly proportional to concentration and temperature. Okay, pi equal to CRT. R means in the place of R. C means concentration and T means temperature and R means gases constant. Okay, CRT. C means molarity you have taken, like P equal to N2 by V into RT. In the place of N2, number of moles by liter volume. Okay, these N2 mole equal to, how to find the mole? Weight by molecular weight. Okay student, weight by molecular weight. So pi equal to W2 by M2 into RT by V. So these V have taken this type, pi V equal to W2 by M2 into RT. Now this is the osmotic pressure constant, osmotic pressure equation. We have taken, suppose, molecular mass of the solvent. So M2 equal to W2 into RT by pi into V. This is molecular mass of the molecular mass of the solvent. Okay, in this term, temperature is taken as Kelvin and is this taken as milliliters, mLs, 1000 mLs. R is the value of R 0.0821 lit and Kelvin inverse and mole inverse ATMs. We have taken atmospheric pressure of constant, temperature taken as kelvins and the value of R is equal to 0.0821 and V taken as milliliters. Okay, this is osmotic pressure. The osmotic pressure in the osmosis means the process of flow of the solvent in SP through SPM. SPM means semi-permeable membrane. It is known as solvent permit. It means solvent permit means the solvent passes through in it. Okay, this is very most important 2-mark question, osmotic pressure. Thank you students.